Hello, and welcome back. This is Borahla here. Peter Elbow, an English writing theorist and rhetorician, recommends that when students are learning about value judgments such as the kind that we will find in these approaches, one way to try to understand each judgment can be examined by doing what is called the believing and doubting game. The believing and doubting game suggests that if you take a statement, it is valuable to both agree and disagree with the statement in order to get a clearer understanding of your own view. For example, let's take a simple value statement like dogs make good pets. One of the things you can do with such a statement is to look at it from the perspective of belief. Dogs are the best pets. And the perspective of doubt, dogs are definitely not the best pets. In theory, this helps you get a greater understanding and vision of both the weaknesses and strengths of the argument. Let's take a closer look. If you look at our statement from a position of belief, notice that immediately you can come up with evidence that justifies your value statement. If you tell yourself, I believe dogs make good pets, you might consider the fact that you have known dogs that can play catch, can learn tricks, will come to a door and wag their tail, and other such truth statements to back up your value judgment. However, by looking at the statement from a position of doubt, notice that you might come up with an entirely different set of evidences that justify this new position. You might talk about the idea that dogs eat more than cats and fish. Dogs often require bathing, or that dogs, especially some types of dogs, have been known to bite. Now, why am I talking about the believing and doubting game? Because after we show you each historical figure, we'll spend some time playing it. This will allow you an opportunity to think about it exclusively in terms of advantages or strengths of a particular approach, but then also to question it by taking a hard look at its possible disadvantages. Although loosely based on Peter Elbow's game, we'll call our game the angel and devil debate, with the angel representing a position of belief and the devil representing a position of doubt. In the next video, we'll introduce you to the pendular swing and discuss one last bit of advice before we start our journey. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson.